Somebody has mac and cheese. I was so impressed this year.
Happy and you know it, do all three. Got a winner right over here. Happy and you know it, do all three. If you're happy and you know it, then you're paid for sure. If you're happy and you know it, do all three. You guys are great. We're gonna do that tomorrow morning. It's the first time we've tried that. I think it'll be fun. So we said we're gonna do this earlier.
Here, welcome to our museum. This is the sound they never want to hear. Oh, the lock.
Hey, Llama.
Here we go. Here we go, Pedro.
Hooga, hooga. Beep, beep. Check, 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 check. Training crowd.
Right, what is the Colorado state mammal?
State mammal.
Yeah.
I can tell you the state dinosaur.
You know what?
I don't know the
I'll take
mammal.
that.
The
What's the state
Stegosaurus,
dinosaur?
right? It's the Stegosaurus, isn't it?
Is that it?
Pretty sure, yeah. What is the state mammal?
Bighorn sheep.
Bighorn sheep? I should have known that.
Because you gave us one, a trivia question, because I'm going to write that down. That's a good one.
Okay.
I'll let you pick any prize you want.
Ooh.
We've got carabiners, magnets, shoelaces, keychains, rulers, pencil sharpeners.
Oh my
and then
goodness.
And then you get a sticker as well for participating in general.
Oh man, all right. I think I've got to go with the keychain.
Yeah, the keychains are awesome.
That's pretty sweet. Okay, cool. And I will take you up on some stickers.
There was one gentleman, he was 75 years old. He did the Burro race all by himself, back in all the way up into the museum. I haven't seen myself.
Here.
No, I don't want to do that, it'll break.
We might need it. The traffic behind us.
I got them shiny metals shined up,
Yeah.
and I snuck up on it, and then it went.
Oh, God.
It didn't break, it just crinkled.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Bye.